Hi there, and welcome to our video on garden and backyard decorating ideas. Today we are going to talk about the different types of decor that you can use to enhance the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space. First off, let's talk about natural decor. This includes various plants that you can use to create beautiful compositions in your garden. One great example is the tapestry Charbon tree, which is both large and beautiful, immediately draws attention to itself and can be a great focal point in your garden. Another natural decor element is the labyrinth, which is a plant object that has been popular since Renaissance. It is often a hedge that reaches up to 2 meters in height and can be a great addition to any garden. Next up is artificial decor. This includes simple elements like benches that can be made from a variety of materials. These benches can be portable or stationary depending on the material used. Other artificial decor elements include garden furniture like some loungers and umbrellas, which can add both visual appeal and functionality to your garden. Architectural decor elements are also a popular choice. These include things like gazebos, trellis, bridges, and even sculptures. They can add a unique atmosphere to your garden and help to create a cohesive design. It's important to install these elements wisely and ensure that they fit well with the overall composition of your garden. Lastly, landscape decor elements like jumping fountains and artificial reservoirs are also great options. These elements can be combined with other decor niches to create a beautiful and functional space. For example, a pond can be decorated with vegetations and surrounded by deck chairs to create a relaxing oasis in your garden. When it comes to decorating your garden or backyard, it's important to choose each element wisely and follow a general style that fits with your personal taste. Remember that decor items should not only have visual advantages but also to functional add value to your outdoor space. We hope that you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.